by way of thousands of stories about Moxibustion. Moxibustion, a traditional Chinese medical practice, has a long history dating back to approximately 500,000 years ago when Peking Man used fire for cooking and warmth and discovered that burns could provide pain relief. This led to the use of Moxibustion to treat various illnesses. Moxibustion gained popularity from 770 BC to 221 BC, as evidenced by cultural relics. Ancient medical scientists further developed Moxibustion treatments during this time. During April and May, moxa leaves are harvested and dried to make moxa sticks. A saying often echoed through the ages claimed that with moxa readily available at home, there was little need for the presence of a physician. This adage affirmed the undeniable efficacy of Moxibustion. The eminently surgeon, in his renowned work, Compendium of Materia Medica, boldly asserted, Moxibustion can remedy an array of ailments.